Here's a step-by-step detailed explanation of the pathophysiology of adenovirus infections, focusing on how the virus infects the host, replicates, and causes disease. Step-by-step pathophysiology of adenovirus infections. 1. Viral entry into the host. Transmission. Adenoviruses are typically spread via respiratory droplets, fecal-oral route, direct contact with contaminated surfaces or objects, target tissues. Adenoviruses infect epithelial cells of respiratory tract, gastrointestinal tract, conjunctiva, urinary tract. 2. Attachment to host cell. Adenovirus uses its fiber proteins to bind to specific receptors on the host cell surface. Common receptor, Coxsackie and adenovirus receptor. A secondary interaction occurs with integrins, AV-BAIT3 or V5, triggering endocytosis. 3. Internalization and endocytosis. The virus enters the cell via clathrin-mediated endocytosis. Once inside, the acidic environment of the endosome helps in the disassembly of the viral capsid. 4. Viral genome release and transport. The partially uncoated virus escapes the endosome. It is transported to the nucleus via microtubules. Once at the nuclear pore, the viral DNA is released into the nucleus. 5. Transcription and replication of viral DNA. The viral DNA is double-stranded and linear. Immediate early genes are transcribed first, including E1A and E1B, which help hijack the host cell machinery and inhibit apoptosis. Later genes like E2, replication, E3, immune evasion, and E4, modulation of host cell, are expressed. Host RNA polymerase II transcribes viral genes. Viral DNA is replicated using viral DNA polymerase. 6. Synthesis of viral proteins. Early proteins help with replication, immune evasion, e.g. inhibition of MHC1 expression. Late proteins, structural components like capsid proteins. Viral mRNA is translated into proteins using host ribosomes in the cytoplasm. 7. Assembly of new virions. Newly synthesized viral DNA and capsid proteins are assembled in the nucleus. Formation of complete mature virions. 8. Cell lysis and viral release. The infected host cell undergoes lysis, releasing thousands of new virions. These virions can go on to infect neighboring cells or new hosts. 9. Host immune response. Innate response. Interferons, NK cells, and inflammation. Adaptive response. Cytotoxic T cells target infected cells. Antibodies neutralize free viruses. Adenovirus evades the immune system by downregulating MHC1, inhibiting apoptosis via E1B and E3 proteins. 10. Tissue damage and clinical manifestations. Viral replication and immune response result in epithelial cell damage, inflammation, necrosis. Symptoms vary by site: respiratory, cough, sore throat, pneumonia, GI tract, diarrhea, conjunctiva, pink eye, urinary tract, hemorrhagic cystitis. Thank you. Have a nice day.